I know just what they'd say. Please come back and hold me close and kiss the hurt away. If my lonely tears could speak, would you listen when they whisper, please come back? Lonely lips need kissing. Oh, 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 darling, please come kiss the hurt away. Make it well, take me away from this hurt's evil spell. If my lonely tears could talk, you'd hear them pray. Please come back and hold me close and kiss the hurt away.
You give me a thrill. I like the way you walk, I like the way you talk, I like the way you hold me when we kiss goodnight. My knees begin to shake, I think my heart will break. Hold me tight, don't say goodnight for goodness sake. Ooh-wee, I've got you on my mind. Ooh-wee, you're the loving kind. Ooh-wee, when your lips meet mine, I get a funny feeling every time. The matter with me? Ooh-wee, I'm in misery. Ooh-wee, my heart just won't stand still. When you put your arms around, you give me a thrill. I like the way you walk, I like the way you talk, I like the way you hold me when we kiss goodnight. My knees begin to shake, I think my heart will break. Hold me tight, don't say goodnight for goodness sake. Ooh-wee, you on my mind. Ooh-wee, you're the loving kind. Ooh-wee, when your lips meet mine, I get a funny feeling every time.
Maybe you're allergic to my line. No, I'm not the best you see. In a little while I'll be. I'm getting better all the time. I know I like the touch that makes you glow. Your lips tingle when they're touching mine. No, I may not move you now, but it'll wait till I learn how. I'm getting dates and I'll be doing fine. No, I'm just an amateur. I won't be long for sure. I'm getting better all the time.
I've walked the streets of this here town. Seems like every single night I've made my rounds. I've seen children born, people come and go. There ain't much about this town that I don't know. I've seen children growing up to take their place in this silly game we call the human race. I sobered up their sons and sent them home, and felt pity for their daughters too soon grown. Do people change, or do they just forget? Or do the silk sheets make it worth the sweat? The deeds are fresh in our minds, and then they fade away. And we all judge a man for what he is today. Tonight I make rounds my last time, and I'll miss it, for tomorrow I retire. They say I may write a book on what I know, and they look at me, wonder if it's so. I wonder what their stories would be worth, but they'll soon be buried in old Mother Earth. They should know their secrets, oh Lord, say with me. Do they think for 30 years I've only walked their street? Do they think for 30 years I've only walked their street?
Everybody said the young folks ain't living right, and everybody said we're walking hand in hand with the devil. But I believe, oh, I truly do believe, there's gonna be a don't make no difference. If you believe in love and brotherhood, you got the same heaven as me. So just raise your voices and repeat after me. Say it loud. There's gonna be a big revival. You can read about it in your Bible. I'm talking about the new arrival. You better believe it. Singing praises to the Lord. Praises to my Lord. It's one more thing, and you better believe it. It's coming. It's coming. Lord, how much a day is coming. I see it. A day when all my brothers and sisters gonna be together. Just holding hands walking on down the street. Every man, every woman, every child. That day is coming. And that day gonna be a sweet revival. You better believe me. Hey, little girl, you know you have done me wrong. Hey, little girl, you know you have done me wrong. Yes, you made me love you, and now you have left and gone. Yes, you taken all my money and my clothes. Yes, you taken all my money and my clothes. Yes, you took my loving, and you put for me outdoors.